Hi everyone, I want to show you how we can quickly export a CBCT scan in DICOM format to be imported into any third-party surgical guide software, such as BlueSky Bio, Glidewell, CCAT, whatever you want to do. In this demonstration, I'm going to show you how we do it in BlueSky Bio. The first thing we do is we create a file on the desktop with the patient's name. We are going to call this test patient for this case. Once we do that, we're going to launch our VistaSoft software, export it, use user defined, and locate the file we're going to place the scan into. This is the file we just created called test patient. Select a folder. And then we're going to do the same thing with the STL scan we have. Make sure we have the settings correct as DICOM series or DICOM format based on what your software is looking for. The STL is exported as STL. Click Export. Now we are going to launch the BlueSky Bio software. BlueSky Bio has an automatic implant wizard. It's located under the Implant Planning and Surgical Guide module. Add your patient's name. We are going to continue using test patient. Select the arch we're going to be working on. In this case, we're going to be selecting the maxilla since that's the STL scan that we imported. On the right side, you'll see a number of implant companies. If you don't see it there, you can add it by clicking on that plus icon, and then you could download the implant company you'll be using. Once selected, hit Next. Hit Next. We are going to import the file that we exported from VistaSoft. So we go to the test patient folder selected from the desktop. It is importing here. We'll do the same thing with the STL, which is also located in the test patient folder. You can see the STL image was added to the uncategorized data section. Just simply click it and drag it into the required data and hit Next. This part takes a little while, so be patient. This is a great time to go see another patient, get a cup of coffee, whatever you want to do. Just let the software run until we get to the part where we're confirming or adjusting the implant location. You can see here it does a number of steps. This is the automatic model alignment that they do. It automatically aligns the impression with the DICOM. Right now it's trying to create crowns, and you'll see the drill path visual there, and then it will create a crown and we'll do the next implant. This is sped up, by the way, just to save time. Okay, it looks like it's almost done. There we go. We could see the crown in place. There's the next drill path. And that's complete. This is where we make adjustments as needed. So I'm just going to rotate around the axis of that implant, and you can make adjustments if necessary. I'm just showing you, giving you a visual what the software does. Select whatever implant you want to work on, rotate it, move anything you want. If everything looks good, hit next, and then we'll get to the guide curve. We could do the adjustments here to adjust the guide curve. This is also where we adjust the location for the inspection windows. Hit next. Then you'll get a visual of the surgical guide. At this point, you can click on next if you want to save the guide and also create a report. Then the next step after that is ordering the parts and the surgical guide itself. That's how easy it is to get a surgical guide using the ProVecta 3D Prime CBCT.